In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete visited websites from your browsing history in Google Chrome. Whether you want to remove a few specific websites or clear your browsing history for privacy, Chrome makes it easy to manage your history. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser, then select History and click History again to open your complete browsing history. On the History page, you'll see a list of the websites you've visited. To remove specific websites, locate the entries you want to delete, click the three-dot menu next to each one and select Remove from History. Repeat this for any additional websites you'd like to remove. If you want to delete all your browsing history instead, click Delete Browsing Data on the left side of the History page. Choose a time range such as last hour, last 24 hours or all time, then make sure Browsing History is selected. You can also choose whether to remove cookies and cached files at the same time. Click Delete Data to confirm. Chrome will remove your selected browsing history based on the options you chose. If you're signed into Chrome and syncing your browsing history with your Google account, the deleted history may also be removed from your synced devices depending on your sync settings. After the process is complete, you can return to the history page to confirm that the selected websites or browsing history have been removed. That's how to delete visited websites from Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.